switched from Apple Music to Spotify. Spotify makes it much easier to find new songs you like without doing much work. It watches what kind of music you listen to every day and then creates special playlists just for you. These playlists have names like Discover Weekly, Daily Mix, and Release Radar. Every week you get new songs that match your taste, and many times you find songs you didn't know before but end up really liking. You don't have to spend hours searching for new songs because Spotify keeps giving you fresh songs based on your listening habits. One of the best things on Spotify is how it connects you with your friends. It shows you what your friends are listening to in real time. You can see which songs they play the most, what new music they have found, and even get ideas from them. This makes listening to music feel more fun because you are not doing it alone. Sharing playlist is also very simple. You can send a playlist to a friend with just a link and they can open and listen right away. You can even make collaborative playlists where you and your friends add songs together, making it perfect for parties, trips, or just everyday listening. That's all for today. Thank you.